Hey guys, it's the Budget Epicurean, and today I'm going to show you how to build a gyro, or a gyro, if you want to say it right. So a gyro is a Greek dish that is typically meat, usually lamb or a lamb and beef mixture. You can also use meat substitutes like a seitan that I just made, and it is served on pita bread. The typical toppings include the meat, diced tomato, lettuce, and tzatziki sauce. So we're gonna make the tzatziki sauce first. It is a crazy word with lots of Z's and T's, but you're gonna need a cucumber that you will grate, plain Greek yogurt, garlic, salt and pepper, and lemon or lime juice. If you have a fresh lemon or lime, you can also throw some zest in there. That's a great option as well. I don't have that, so we're just going to use the juice today, but that's fine. So I'm going to grate, this is half of an English cucumber, and I love these because their seeds are a lot smaller, so you don't necessarily have to cut them in half and de-seed them. So we're just going to grate this right into a bowl. Okay, and that is pretty good. I don't like my tzatziki to be overwhelming with cucumbers, so that's why I only used a half and not even the whole thing there. So really it's more like 2/3 of a cucumber. If you want your tzatziki to be a little thicker, you can drain it as well. You just throw your grated cucumber in a colander, in a strainer over the sink, and let all the liquid drain out for about 15 minutes. That will get rid of some of the moisture in there. But I don't mind a thicker tzatziki plus the Greek yogurt. You see some of the whey has accumulated. That's the liquid part, the whey. And so I'm just going to not mix that in. And we'll add about a cup of the Greek yogurt. And about a tablespoon garlic. Roughly a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to do a nice big pinch there. And a half teaspoon or so of black pepper, depending on how spicy you want it to be. And then if I had a lemon or lime, I'd grate some of the zest, but I'm just going to use a tablespoon of this juice. There we go. Mix that all up nice. And if you have fresh herbs, if you've got some mint or dill or parsley, that is also very lovely to put in your tzatziki sauce. But I don't have those at the moment, so we're just going to go with this. It's best if you can make this ahead of time and refrigerate it for 20 minutes up to an hour or so, just to let all the flavors kind of meld together. But it's also totally fine if you want to just go for it. So let's assemble our gyros. I got my pita bread and some seitan that I just made. So seitan is a very old meat substitute that's made mostly with wheat gluten, and it's super easy to make at home. So I'm just going to kind of crumble it up. You can see it looks very much like gyro meat, right? Nice thin slices. I'm just going to kind of break it apart like so. A little bit of our tzatziki sauce. A little bit, a lot of it. I love this. So we're just going to kind of go for it. And some fresh shredded romaine. And I don't have diced up tomatoes, but I do have pickled onions. So this is also a great addition to gyros. Makes it nice and colorful, gives a little bit of sharp acidity to it. Very fun. So I would highly recommend substitution for or in addition to the tomatoes, pickled onions. So there you go. Beautiful. Fold it up. And there's your gyro. Enjoy. Oh yeah, you should make this.